Do you think the chances of our withdrawing from NAFTA are going down?
I'll be a better judge after the Montreal meeting. I am very concerned, even if it were a small percentage of risk, as Tom just suggested that he's lowered his risk evaluation. The downside problem that would be created is so huge that I am still frightened.
Of course, there are key issues at play right now, Ambassador, and where would you see, if there is any compromise that could be reached between all sides, where would that be? Because the content rules are still a key issue for car makers and other businesses.
Well, it's a big agreement, and we would all lose. All three of us would lose if we were to pull out. So what we ought to be focused on is how to deal with those economic issues that have developed since we were at the negotiating table in the early 90s. You know, we didn't have digital flows and cross-border services and the kinds of things that people rely on today. And so let's focus on making it better, not tearing it up.
Has it been successful in your view? Because if you look at the balance of trade between the United States and Mexico in particular, this is what President Trump focuses on. It has not gone in the United States' favor.
Well, I would disagree with that statement, because I don't think that a bilateral deficit is what establishes a trade agreement's success or failure. I have a deficit with my grocer. I have, hopefully, a surplus with my firm. And for me not to buy from my current grocer, I'm not going to starve. I'll go to another grocer. So if we don't buy from Mexico, we will buy someplace else. What we really need to keep in mind is that we are blessed with oceans on both sides and peaceful, friendly, helpful neighbors north and south. To tear that up and to poke our finger in the eye of our largest export destination, Canada. Our second largest is Mexico. We sell more to Mexico than we sell to all the rest of Latin America. This is something we don't want to do.